Attention business owners! Starting an online business that makes you money has become super easy. Gone are the days when you had to learn all the technical stuff to create a sales funnel or set up an online product. Good news is, you are in the right place. We have done it all for you, and it's top-notch. If you have been struggling with creating your content or want to add a new product to your existing product line ASAP, there is no faster way than grabbing this ready-made PLR. And if you're looking for something that will make you money and make you profit each month, our product, Vertical Video Income Stream PLR Bundle, is perfect for you. Introducing Vertical Video Income Stream. This is a completely DIY bus in a box that gives you everything you need to own your online business, ready to make you money quickly. You can sell it under your name and keep 100% of the profits. No skill, no experience, no update, no extra investment. Super newbie friendly. It's an in-demand product in an evergreen niche. Marketers will gladly spend their money on this. Are you looking to utilize the new vertical video format option this year? Vertical video has become a revolution ever since it came in the frame. The short-form video format helped numerous small creators break out and reach a massive audience. Vertical videos have 13.8 times more visibility, and also a study shows that the short videos gain maximum engagement and likes. Every brand is on social media. With an estimated 3.6 billion people using social media worldwide, your target market is already out there. You can expect better earning opportunities soon from the short-form video medium. The great thing about social media is that it's always changing and growing. So whether you've been in the game for years or you're just getting started, there is always more to learn. New trends, engagement tactics, and entire platforms pop up every day. So you can utilize this ever-changing landscape to make money for your business. So if you have not yet adapted your video content strategy for incorporating short-form content in vertical format, then this is the right time to do so. To help you get started, you can check out our comprehensive, up-to-date, and professionally researched Vertical Video Income Stream training course. This course will educate you about how to get started with vertical videos, content strategy, promotion tips, and tricks using short video, growing your channel with vertical video format, monetization methods, understanding analytics, and more. So here is precisely what you're going to get in this. 1. Professionally written training guide. 2. Professional graphics. 3. Animated banners. 4. High converting sales copy. 5. Mini sites. 6. Customer sales video. 7. Legal pages. 8. Social media graphics. 9. PDF graphics with PSD files. 10. Email swipes. 11. Other selling material like mind maps, cheat sheet, and top resource report. We are providing you with a time-sensitive opportunity to get access to a quality product. It is a well-researched, top-notch package that will put money into your pockets. Money like this, you can start making money today and continue it for months, because you are providing people with the product they want and need. So get started today. Buy this product, put your name on it, sell and keep 100% of the profit. Remember, this is a value of more than $4,000 plus the pain involved in getting it done. But we are providing you with a shortcut to the system and providing you with a high-quality product that you can sell under your name. Do not wait. It is a dime sale. The prices will go up. Act now.